The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, there lived a crocodile in a river and a monkey on a nearby tree. They soon became friends. One day, the crocodile invited the monkey to his home and introduced him to his wife. The next day, the crocodile's wife had a wicked idea. She wanted to eat the monkey's heart. When the crocodile heard this, he did not know what to do. He would have to kill his monkey friend and take his heart. He felt doomed. Nevertheless, in order to please his wife, he agreed to bring the monkey to her. He would have to trick the monkey into trusting him. The next day, the crocodile invited the monkey to his home again. The monkey happily agreed and hopped on the crocodile. After crossing halfway across the river, the crocodile felt desperate to tell the truth to the monkey. He said, "My dearest friend, my wife would like to eat your heart today. Please forgive me. I will have to sacrifice you in order to fulfill my wife's desire." When the monkey learnt the evil intent of the crocodile, he felt devastated, yet remained calm. He thought quickly and said, "Oh no, I left my heart in the tree and did not bring it along with me today. If you take me back to my tree quickly, I'll grab my heart and give it to your wife. She can then eat it." Hearing this, the crocodile was happy to take the monkey back to the tree. Once they reached, the monkey took no time to scamper all the way up the tree. Clinging onto one of the branches, he looked down at the crocodile and said, "You wicked crocodile, I thought you were a good friend, but you hurt my feelings. You are not worthy of being a friend. A friend is one who is a well-wisher and whom we can trust. You betrayed me. I will never come with you ever again." Thus, the monkey put an end to the friendship with the wicked crocodile. This is why one must choose friends carefully. Thank you.